You can link the software to an Excel spreadsheet or a database. With the spreadsheet or database, make sure there are column headers. If you don't, it will think your first record is the column header and it won't let you print it. Also make sure the first row isn't blank. Every time you open your label, it will default to the first record. If there's nothing in there, you'll just have boxes that say empty. There is also a quantity field. We can tell the software one of the column headers has the number of labels, and it will use this amount to print that number of labels. To link to the spreadsheet, click on Data, Database Access Wizard, and browse the location of the file. Next, it will show you your column headers. Leave them all selected and it'll put everything on your label, or if you hold your Control key, you can select just the columns that you require. Next. I want to print all records from the table means it will print everything in the label every time you print. Or I want to select which record to print. You have the option of printing all of them, but you can also select individual ones. The second section talks about quantity. It defaults to print one of everything. It will print one, but that's it. The middle option is one of the column headers has the number of labels, so use this as the number of labels. Or the last one, I will enter label quantity. It will default to one of everything, but you can change it. We recommend the bottom two are selected. Next. I want a text object for each selected field. I want it to pick up the first record, put it onto the screen, finish, close. It will display the first record. To have this as a barcode, click on the down arrow next to barcode, use the existing variable and select the relevant column header. Click on print, select records, and your spreadsheet or database will be displayed. The button at the top is select all. This will select all of them. Or we can just select individual ones that we want to print. We can also change the quantity next to the tick boxes as well. OK, preview. It will then change your label with the records that you've told it to print.